Looks like your plan failed.
Well, it's only a matter of time before I take over Gotham City! Pew, 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 pew.
When has that ever happened? Computer.
Calculating. Never.
You know why? Because I'm always one step ahead of you.
And I always get away!
Not this time. Because this time, I got you.
Oh yeah? Well, there's only one problem. Who's gonna defuse the bomb? It's gotta be one or the other, Batman. Save the city, or catch your greatest enemy. You can't do both.
I'm sorry, what did you just say?
You can't do both, I said.
No, I mean the other thing.
Save the city or catch your greatest enemy.
You think you're my greatest enemy?
Yes, you're obsessed with me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.